Yoga invites us to enjoy transitions. It's not so much the goal orientation of where we're going, but how we like to travel. So check out this varying approach to Bakasana, the crow. What we usually see is that people place their hands, they take their knees to their outer upper armpits, and then simply lift their hips and lift their feet, okay? So not much action there. So let's explore how we can use Uddiyana Bandha, upward flying Bandha, in which we use a network of nerves, of actions, of grounding to feel a sense of cellular lightness. Start with your feet together in Bakasana. Widen your inner thighs and inhale, reach your arms, get length in your back ribs. This is the key to Uddiyana Bandha. Slowly walk your hands back, move your knees as high as you can into your outer back armpits. Place your hands down and settle. Now traction your hands back, squeeze your heels together, squeeze your toes together, squeeze your elbows in and lean forward, keep your hips down. From here, inhale, press your heels up, start to stretch your arms, keep lifting through your heels, and now you're really flying.